Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you that how to change the air filter of Volkswagen Taigun. I'm sure everyone must have faced this problem during summer season that AC does not provide very effective cooling. There is a noise in the air conditioning, hissing kind of noise, and the wind is also not coming with a very good flow. These reasons are very common as we drive the vehicle during dust areas which have very much pollution, and as time passes the air filter gets blocked, due to which the air does not passes through the filter very good in a very good manner. So we usually face this problem that the AC is not providing very good cooling. The best solution is to get the air filter replaced every 10,000 or 15,000 kilometers as the manufacturer recommends. Also, you can clean the air filter as and when required. It is recommended to clean it as frequently as possible. It is very easy, so I'm gonna tell you how to replace the air filter. Also, you can, if you don't want to replace the air filter, you can clean it. It is very easy process. Just hold on. What we have to do is we have to open the left side glove side compartment. There are two, if you can see this, there are 2 points. One is here and one is here. You have to press these 2 points. Press this. Okay, sorry, lift it. You have to lift. Just hold on. I'm sorry for the shaky video because I'm the only person. I'm not having any person to hold my camera. Now it is good. You have to lift this and lift the other one as well at the same time, and this comes down very easily. Like this. Now this is the place where the air filter lies, and you have to again press these up. Now let's turn off the vehicle. Take this filter out. As you can see that it is very much dirty. There are plant leaves as well that comes in the opening. You can clean this using a pressure blower, or you can just simply tap it off the dust. Now what we have here, to replace this dusty, or you can see the old air filter with a new one, we have got this activated carbon air filter from Volkswagen. I got this from the showroom itself. It is approximately 1000 rupees. For 1000 rupees, I think it is very much reasonable for a vehicle like Volkswagen. Let's quickly unbox it. It is quite heavy. I'll have to tear this. Just hold on. you should check it that it is properly in its place. Now you'll have to close this again. You have to lift this point. It is go very easily. It is now done. So we have replaced the previous old cabin air filter with the new activated carbon filter. We'll post another video to see how it works. I'm sure it works very well. Thank you guys.